Some of the things that you can expect from us once you've actually closed on the home, to give you an idea, are we offer what's called annual reviews, which we'll be talking about a little bit more, but that's where yearly we come together as a team to prepare for those meetings for you to say, what do they need to be aware of? How can they save money? What opportunities can they take advantage of? And that is a service we offer at no charge to you, and that's a way for us to continue to provide value after you've already owned the home.
And it's kind of like a homeowner analysis of sorts, where we go through different details of your property, whether that's what your current equity is versus what you started with, how you can use that to your benefit, whether it's making upgrades to your house, potentially buying another house with that equity that you have in your current home, and also what does your property profile look like for the county, right? What are they appraising your property at? Does that have anything to do with what you could sell it for?
The annual reviews that we offer are extremely effective for any homeowner, past client of the Ramirez team or not. If you know a homeowner who could benefit from being more clear on their equity, what options are available for them, ways to improve their money, to help their money go as far as possible, we would love the opportunity to connect with you who are looking for more education and to be empowered with just the knowledge that we can share. We certainly love to stay in touch. We're always a phone call away to be able to answer any questions. And truthfully, we just look forward to continuing our relationship together. We're so thankful for the opportunity to have served you this far and look forward to the years in business to come.